guys, welcome back to the vlog and welcome back to the channel. Today we got a cool project. We have Hector's Z4. This thing's really neat. Keeps it really clean. We're just doing a simple stripe on the hood. I'm gonna show you how we go about that. Juan Bobo.
There we go.
We matched today. I got the memo. Found it. So what we're doing, hood stripe. We're gonna show you how we go about that. Real simple install. So as you can see, we've made a tape line. That's our baseline that we are going to use as a pattern. Going to lay application tape on top and then trace it, transfer that on top of the material we're using. Today we're using Stek Dynoblack. Paint protection film from Stek. Self-healing, hydrophobic. Just has a better black look than vinyl in general when it comes to gloss black. Now all I gotta do, transfer that pattern onto material, trim it out, eliminates cutting on the car. Forgot to make my circle. Alright, so what you saw me do is just tack it up with a heat gun, accelerate the drying process a little bit. That way we can go ahead and trim our edge, and then we can finish up the front half.